Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Balanced Bliss. Words hold extraordinary power. They're like mirrors, reflecting our thoughts and emotions, and how we choose to express ourselves can transform our interactions and the impressions we leave on others. In today's video, we'll explore the power of language by looking at 15 words that can instantly elevate your speech, making you sound more refined, classy, and sophisticated. By incorporating these words into your vocabulary, you'll be able to communicate more eloquently and leave a lasting impression. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to Balanced Bliss if you haven't already. This way, you won't miss out on future videos about elegance, self-improvement, and refined living. And if you know someone who would benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them too. All right, let's get started. Let's start with something foundational yet often overlooked: politeness. Politeness reflects respect for others, which is the cornerstone of elegance. Have you ever been in a cafe and someone responds with a blunt no to a server's question like, "Would you like cream with that?" It's strikingly out of place and can leave a poor impression. Elegant language starts with words like please, thank you, you're welcome, and pardon me. Whether speaking to a close friend or a complete stranger, incorporating these phrases makes a world of difference. Elegance isn't about what you wear, it's about how you treat people. These words show that you respect those around you and carry yourself with dignity. Now, let's look at 15 carefully selected words that will help you add grace and sophistication to your everyday conversations. The first word in my list is gracefully. This word adds an elegant touch to any action. Instead of saying someone walked down the street, saying she gracefully walked down the street creates an image of ease, beauty, and poise. Similarly, instead of saying she did it well, you can say she did it gracefully, which sounds refined and polished. Perhaps. Replace maybe with perhaps for a more elegant tone. Perhaps has a slightly formal air, adding a touch of sophistication to sentences like, perhaps she will join us later. Using perhaps subtly shifts your speech to sound more thoughtful and intentional. The third word is contrite. When someone feels genuinely sorry for their actions, contrite is a powerful word to use. Rather than saying she was sorry, saying she was contrite conveys a depth of regret and a desire to make amends. It's a wonderful choice when you want to express sincere apology or remorse with elegance. Our next word is admire. Instead of saying I like or I love, use admire to express respect and appreciation. Saying I admire your dedication holds more weight than simply saying I like your dedication. Admire conveys a sense of esteem, showing that you value something deeply. Exquisite is perfect for describing something delicate, beautiful, and pleasing to the senses. Instead of saying the hotel spa was beautiful, try the hotel spa was exquisite. It's a word that elevates ordinary descriptions into something truly special and memorable. For simplicity and clarity, use lack instead of saying do not have. For example, instead of she doesn't have proof, you could say she lacks proof. This word is precise and carries a subtle but powerful tone of intelligence. Whimsical is a charming way to describe something playful, unpredictable, and lighthearted. Instead of saying someone is funny or different, saying they have a whimsical personality gives a more nuanced impression of delight and imagination. It can also describe a film or a situation that's amusing and delightful. To endear is to make oneself beloved by others. Rather than saying someone got close to another, say she endeared herself to him, which has a softer, warmer feel. This word is perfect when describing someone who has earned affection or admiration through their kindness or personality. Bespoke, as the term refers to items that are custom-made to an individual's preferences. Saying something is bespoke sounds refined, like a bespoke wedding dress instead of a custom-made dress. It adds sophistication to any discussion about tailor-made items or services. Oh, impeccable. When something or someone is flawless, impeccable is a perfect choice. Instead of saying, thank you for doing it perfectly, say, thank you for your impeccable execution. This word praises someone's precision and leaves a lasting, positive impression. When addressing a group, using ladies or gentlemen shows a level of respect that's elegant and refined. For instance, instead of saying, hey guys, Try ladies and gentlemen, or simply ladies or gentlemen. It's a thoughtful touch that enhances formality and grace. Our 12th word is magnificent, that describes something with grandeur and beauty. For instance, instead of "that's great," try saying "that's magnificent." It may seem grand, but with practice, it becomes a natural part of your vocabulary, making your compliments more impactful. Here comes surreal. It is perfect for describing something dreamlike or beyond reality. Instead of "it was strange," say "it was surreal," as in the atmosphere of the concert was surreal. It adds a layer of wonder and enchantment to your descriptions. The 14th word in my list is ostensible. Ostensible means that something appears one way but may actually be another. It's a sophisticated choice for discussions with nuance. For example, instead of saying "seems like," say ostensibly to convey a more complex understanding, such as "he was ostensibly there to support her, but he had other intentions." Ostensible is a powerful word to use in place of seemingly, but it's also an academic, weighty term, so use it thoughtfully, as overuse might seem pretentious or insincere. Lastly, exemplary, that describes something that is the best example of its kind. Instead of saying "she has a great work ethic," say "she has an exemplary work ethic." This word is powerful for highlighting someone's admirable qualities, leaving a mark of respect and admiration. There you have it, 15 words that can enhance your language and elevate the way you communicate. Incorporating these words into your vocabulary will gradually transform your speech, helping you leave a lasting, positive impression wherever you go. Remember, the key is not only to use elegant words, but to use them in the right context. With practice, these words will become natural to you, effortlessly adding sophistication to your daily interactions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to Balanced Bliss for more content on elegance, self-improvement, and refined living. Also, feel free to share this video with friends who might enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay elegant and keep seeking balance in everything you do.